Silence. Alyssa, give us your topic.
Anyways, I have some good news and some bad news.
What is it?
Bad news is that I am quitting sad life until I get my body shop to work. And I don't mean I'm done for good.
What else?
The good news is May 27th I think is when I'm getting a new Sims game.
Is that all?
No. I'm also gonna have a contest every month now. So, I'm gonna start this month. Subject, drama and sadness. Only in Sims 2 or 3 please. Due date, June 1st. And go.
Whatever, that was really lame and no one cared. See how no one was looking at you. Just shut up. Yeah, see, no one likes you and I have this girl voice. Yeah. Get in there. No.
Don't mind him, remember June 1st.